Sometimes I do review some product to keep my channel going. One of my sponsor of my channel, they sent me walkie talkie to review. Company is TIDRADIO. So what is included? It's a business card, manual, 2 USB-C type cords, plus 2 110 adapters, and 2 walkie-talkie with clip. And 2 straps like this. So now I will show you close look what is TD radio. What was included: business card, website, 2 110 adapters, 2 C-type USB cords, 2 radio itself, 2 straps, manual, and 2 clips. So to turn it on, you just turn up on, and it has 22 channels. 22 channels.
Turn on the radio. 2.
So it has 2 ports for earbuds and speaker external, and connection of USB charge port. This side is called PTT. It's when you talk, you push the button, and red button, and you talk. Another button, channels, switch channels.
1.
So if you click
1.
a long channel, long push on channel button, it will switch to weather channel. So weather channel.
10, 9, 8, 7.
It's Saginaw Bay, lighted
Okay.
inner Saginaw Bay. The wind was southwest at 22 knots, gusting to 25. At Gravelly Shoals in outer Saginaw Bay, the wind was south at 5 knots, gusting to 10. At Harbor Beach,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So it depends of your area. You can catch from 1 to channel
11, 1,
to
11.
channel 11 weather channels. A long push again on a channel down. It's bring you back to your walkie-talkie channels.
2.
So now let me see how far it works. I am on a campground right now, so let me go from one campground to another. Here's 2 campgrounds, east and west, and they are apart approximately 1 mile. So let me try it. So now I approximately half mile from my campsite, and let me check it. Can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Say it louder.
I hear you.
Okay. Now I'm at another site of campground. It's approximately 1 mile apart, and let me check it. I'm 1 mile away.
Okay.
So looks like 1 mile away still works. So let me go a little bit farther. Now I'm far away from campground. It's a state park, local beach area, parking lot. It's approximately close to 2 miles. So let me stop it and let's see. Hey, can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Sounds like a little disturbance, but I can hear you good.
Good.
So it works for 2 miles at least. I think it's rated for 5 miles. And let me go a little bit farther if I can. I'll check. Can you hear me now?
I do.
So okay, now we're approximately 2.5 miles away. It's a farther place I can go. Well, I can go farther, but it's not necessarily. So my other side, who's answering me, hear me okay, and I hear her okay too. So this is at least 2.5 miles range. Lots of trees, lots of obstacles around, and I still can hear her good. Can you hear me good?
I do.
Okay. So I would say thumb up for trip in a forest, campground trip on a beach. It's a field trip. It's just great, inexpensive walkie-talkie, 2 units. So I recommend you guys, if you like it, thumb up, description below.